We already know people are feeling lonelier and more anxious. But the news from the latest ABC Vox Pop Lab survey isn't all bad. Around 4 in 5 Australians said they were coping very well, but only around half that thought Australians in general felt the same way. Older people tended to think Australians were doing better, 51% of those aged over 65, compared to just 28% of people under 35. And those on the political right tended to be more optimistic than those on the left.
What that data is saying is, yeah, our individualised concern is relatively, minimal. But actually, yeah, I have concern for other people. And of course, what we know is that's driving people's behaviour. That's why people are complying.
The curve's flat, but that doesn't mean there's less concern out there. In fact, the opposite is true. 36% of people are now very concerned about the pandemic, the highest that's been in the past 5 weeks. As we get out and about more, fears that a family member or friend will contract the virus have also increased. And worries about the health of the Australian economy are at a high, up 6% in the past week.
It's our grandchildren's future that really is the big question mark for us.
I'm not one of the percentage that is stressed. I feel just do the right thing, stay away from, do the social distancing.
People have adapted their lifestyles dramatically, in big ways and small. Search traffic for terms like banana bread, brownies and bread all peaked last month. Interest in sourdough has risen more than 6-fold, but they're now all on the decline. As cafes open up, Australia might be over its need to need.